Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn class 10th chemical reactions and equations. So let's start with it. What is chemical reactions and equations? So let's begin the topic, okay? तो chemical reactions और equations होते क्या हैं? सबसे पहले हम वो जान लेते हैं, okay? So chemical reactions are the process in which new substances with new properties are formed. So what are chemical reactions? If I said C plus O2 gives me CO2, the left hand side always reactants and this is products, which is right hand side. So this is reactants and this is products, and both give you a chemical reaction. Chemical reaction in which new substances are formed. Okay, this is the process. What is chemical reactions? In which new substances are formed, and here only there is an arrangement of atoms only. Carbon is one and O2 has two. There is only a rearrangement of the atoms takes place of a chemical reactions. Okay, so let's write the one another reaction, that is magnesium. If I said magnesium, if I use magnesium plus oxygen, what we are going to form? Magnesium oxide. This is very important reactions because they some this is there is a question regarding why magnesium burn in a like rocket frame. So here we are adding heat. So this formation the magnesium oxide. So burning of magnesium in air to form magnesium oxide. So there is a question like before burning in air, magnesium ribbon is cleaned by rubbing with sandpaper. Why magnesium is cleaned before why magnesium ribbon is burned before this? Okay, so before burning in air, why it is cleaned, why it is rubbed with sandpaper? This is due to because we need to remove the magnesium oxide, because if we have magnesium ribbon, then definitely there is a oxide formation when it react with the oxygen. So to get the surface of magnesium to get the surface of magnesium ribbon, we need to rub it with the magnesium burnt. Okay, so before burning in air, magnesium ribbon is cleaned by rubbing with sandpaper. This is done to remove the protective layer. This is done to remove the protective layer of magnesium oxide. हम मैग्नीशियम रिबन को जलाने से पहले सैंड पेपर से रब क्यों करते हैं? ताकि जो उसके ऊपर मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड की लेयर है, मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड की जो लेयर है वो क्या हो जाए, रिमूव हो जाए, so that it readily combine with oxygen on air and produce the dazzling bright white flame, that is white light. So during the burning of magnesium ribbon is harmful to the eyes, so magnesium ribbon should be burnt by keeping it far as possible from the eyes. जब हमारी रिएक्शन होती है तो इसको आपको अपनी आंखों से बचा के ये वाली रिएक्शन करनी है, बिकॉज इट इज वेरी हार्मफुल रिएक्शन. ओके, so the magnesium should be burnt by keeping it as far away from the possible from the eyes. So what we conclude, so magnesium ribbon, so why magnesium ribbon is rubbed with sandpaper before burning. There is only one answer to remove magnesium oxide pro- layer, protective layer, you can say magnesium oxide layer. One line answer to remove the oxide from magnesium oxide from the surface of magnesium, from the surface of magnesium ribbon. Just we need to remove this from the surface of magnesium ribbon. I guess you would remember this question, why we are rub the magnesium ribbon with the sandpaper before burning, to remove the magnesium oxide from the surface of the magnesium ribbon. Okay, so I think you get this answer. So when this starts burning, if it starts burning, if starts burning, if if I start magnesium plus oxygen, if magnesium oxide, then it will form magnesium oxide. Okay, so magnesium oxide, if this starts burning, what happens, what is the reaction based, what are the observations, what we can see when it starts burning? So first reaction is dazzling white flame. First is dazzling white flame. Okay, and the second one is the main funda is just only the dazzling white flame we are going to observe when the magnesium and the oxide are burning with the heat as a. Here I can explain why we are using heat. Mg plus O2 give you 2 MgO. Let me write it again. Mg plus O2 gives you 2 MgO. Okay, so this is the reaction that is formed during the magnesium. Okay, so I maybe you will get there is an experiment also, I think, in the NCRT, so you can follow up that NCRT. Just this magnesium, here we have the heat. So this is what, why in arrow, why we are using heat, that it could be electricity, it could be light. So these are the catalysts. What are they are the catalysts. And what is catalyst? I will explain you what is catalyst. Catalyst is basically used to speed up the reaction. Speed up the reaction. If somebody asks you, like, what is the catalyst? What is the role of catalyst? Like, just you have to mention that it is used to speed up the reaction. Okay, so it is in the form of heat, it is in the form of light, it is in the form of electricity. We will discuss later on. Okay, this type of things. Okay, so we discuss all these things. So let's begin with the let's propose characteristics of chemical reactions. Characteristics of chemical reaction. Okay, So let's start with what is the characteristics of reactions. So first, evolution of gas. लाइक इसमें गैस भी बन सकती है आपकी कोई, इसमें प्रेसिपिटेट्स भी बन सकते हैं आपके, ओके। इसमें आपके चेंज इन कलर भी हो सकता है जब कोई केमिकल रिएक्शन होगी, ठीक है। फोर्थ हमारे पास पॉइंट है चेंज इन टेम्परेचर, एंड द फिफ्थ वन इज द चेंज इन द स्टेट, change in state. So this is the characteristics of the chemical reactions. So we will discuss all this in the next video. I hope you will like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.